go ahead and get everything hooked up, and we're gonna start soybean harvest. I definitely didn't mess up by letting the other ones wither away, and uh, that's why that worker has to be over there working on that right now and tilling that under. Whoops. There's the first one. Pretty, actually, it might literally be the exact one they have, except I think it's 124 foot. So 94, see, number over here. I think it means it's a 13-inch, 94-foot auger, if I remember right. And now we will buy the drive over deck. Obviously, everyone has those nowadays, since the augers don't have them on here. And then a backhoe to help unload. So now we got everything here. We'll go ahead and get the auger set up here. Gonna put that on the old 4755 here once I start it. And then we'll unhook fertilizer spreader back here. Yeah, right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put beans in these three. Put beans in as many as we can over here, and then I might have to actually get a different auger for those bins because I think those are slightly taller than these bins, and this auger, since it's only 94 foot, only reaches or won't reach. I wish backing up an auger was this easy in real life. Alright, now we got the truck set. We're gonna go ahead and get to harvesting. Remember, turn that off quick. Disable strong. I gotta say, I really love how these sounds work in this game. They sound pretty close to the real thing on some of these mods. I gotta give, give credit where those guys are due. They do a pretty damn good job. I'll say some of the original ones don't sound as good, but yeah. Alright, turn around here so we can get... Oops, oh well. sitting a little too high in the seat, I would say, compared to real life, but 'tis what it is. Just ignore the tracks. Definitely didn't accidentally drive through there yesterday. Keep on going. We're sitting way too high. It's not level up there, I guess. Alright, now that that's full, I'm going to go grab the grain cart over here. I'm going to run over and grab the grain cart, and we're going to fill that up quick. And then... Oops. There we go. Alright, got the tarp open. We will go ahead and grab and fill this up. Or, well, unload here, and then we'll probably finish the field before we get done with... before we fill up again. And then we will see... I think the field across the road, if I remember right, is soybeans. So we will go ahead and move to that next. And we will go back to the time lapse once this starts unloading. get this unloaded, and then we're going to go ahead and get shifted over to the other field over there. And then I'll probably, once I get started on that, I'll time lapse that again, and then I'll meet you guys back here after that. guys, I think that is going to end it for this video. I will probably start the next video right here. I think I'll have plenty of content for the first start of harvest on this series. But anyways, yeah, so I want to say thank you for watching. You know, every little bit helps. I don't want to ask you guys for any money or anything like that. I just want to put the content out there. Hopefully you watch it. Hopefully you like it. And yeah, so as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.